Look at how much stuff I got, guys, to sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Stay to the end, see how much money I'm gonna make. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, just want to show you guys and tell you guys how my reselling business or my side hustle became my full-time job. I do coach and train on the side, but that's just because I really enjoy it and I really want to do it. I didn't want to stop. I do get paid for it also, but my main income is reselling, and I do have one employee. Shout out to Anaí, she's the best. She cross-lists for me on all the platforms: Mercari, Poshmark, Facebook Market. Anyways, guys, enough of me talking and doing all this. Let me go ahead and just bring you with me to these thrift stores. Maybe you can learn one or two brands that, if you try this side hustle, can help you out. Let's go see how much money you can make. First stop of the day, it's a good neighborhood thrift store. Let's go see what we find. Picked up not only one but two of these Dallas Cowboys Reeboks jerseys. They're only gonna be $2 each. They're kid sizes, but they're still pretty good. I'm gonna be picking up all of these three shirts right here. This is the dollar section and it is half off, so I will be paying 50 cents each. Very nice Polo Ralph Lauren and a vintage Tommy Polo. I picked up two pair of jeans. I've been doing very good with Ralph Lauren jeans, so I always pick them up. And it was half off, so I only got these for $3 each. I should get about 25 on each of these. I also picked up two pair of shoes for only $4 each. These Nike Zooms should do very good. Should get like 30 for these. And then I wasn't too sure on picking these little grandma Saz shoes up, but I know Saz is a very good brand. Has gone oversaturated, so there's a lot in the market, but these were like, or I think they are brand new. So I was like, $4. I probably should get like 20, 25. Just got to a next thrift stop. This is like a mom and pop shop. I really like this one. It's over here in Lago Vista, Texas. They have good ass prices too. Let's go see what they got. Look how cool this little cart is. Oh, snap. I'm gonna ask them, see how much they want. That's cool. That store didn't have anything. We just got to Goodwill. Hopefully they got some good stuff for me. Let's go see what they got. Let's go straight to the shoes. Right away. Spotted these Hokas for $10. These should give me like $40. This is a great brand to be on the lookout. Also gonna be picking up these Keen sandals. They only want $8 for these. These should give me like 30. These are great sellers. It's almost getting warm out, so people are gonna start using these to go hiking and stuff. Unfortunately, these Under Armour Project Rock are a little too beat up and they want $16. But if you ever find that little bull, it is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's collab with Under Armour. It's always a fast, great seller. Another example of a great brand of shoes that you will find a lot are Brooks. They only want $10 for these, and these should give me like 40 to 45. Always make sure it has good thread on the bottom. I'm gonna be picking up also these Magista soccer cleats. They don't make this model of shoes anymore, of cleats, and it's very sought after. So for only $8 at a size 7.5, it's a little bit on the smaller side, but I should get like 60 for these. Also just got these Ariat boots. These are like a little flower pattern ones. They only want $18 for these, but I'll be happy paying $18. Check out these comps. Shirts, I actually found a couple of shirts that I'm gonna probably post on Depop. These will do very good on Depop. This Y2K like dragon tie-dye shirt, it's on a liquid blue tag. This vintage Speedy Gonzalez one's pretty cool, and these are all like $2.99 each. The Who is on a newer liquid blue tag. Still should get like $15 for that. It's an old school Popeyes one. I'm still thinking about this one, not too sure, but it's pretty cool. a vintage Yankees one. It's from year 2000. This one's actually pretty cool. I'll take that one. New York Jets, size XL. It's on the Reebok tag. This is my favorite one I found. This Rolling Stone. It's like a kind of like a weird material. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like 3D. Pretty cool. And then the Beatles one. It's on the AAA tag. That was an amazing stop. I spent 85 bucks. Let's go on to the next one. All right, next stop is this Hill Country thrift stop. Let's go see what they got. I'm also gonna take these Converse for only 5 bucks. Should get 20 for these. This right here is a great brand. Size large. I just scored on this Dallas, Texas hockey jersey. Very cool. Has all the cool patches on it. Check out these comps on it. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna be doing a big purchase here. I found like 10 pairs of these Wrangler Western jeans. These are very in style right now and they want 5 bucks each. There's 10 of them. You can kind of get an idea. I should be able to sell them for at least 25 each. Especially on Poshmark, I might be able to get a closer to 30 for these. All right, we're at another Goodwill. Let's go see what they got. All right, for only $8.99, I was able to find this cool shirt. That's the brand. Remember that little logo? This one should give me about 30 bucks. That's all there was there. On to the next. Stop is Savers. Last stop was super dry, so I gotta bounce back. Hopefully I find really good stuff. First thing I do is I go straight to these shoes. Gonna be taking these Fry boots. They only want 18 bucks for these. Fry is a great brand. Check out the comps on these. Gonna be picking up this Columbia UT button up for only 7 bucks. I do very good with these on Poshmark. Should get about like 30 bucks for it. I'm also gonna be picking up these Highlander floor mats. These are OEM, so a big bolo if you don't know about OEM mats. I'm gonna be paying 11 bucks for these, and these should sell for like 40 plus. Another thing I love to pick up are VCR DVD combo units like this. This one's only 7 bucks, but it should sell for like 35 to 40. The only thing is always test them out. Put a VHS and hear if there's any weird noises, or shake it up. If you hear anything broken in there, don't pick it up. This is why I like to look up everything in the store that I think will be valuable. Like I know Shark is a great brand for like vacuums and like carpet cleaners and stuff. So for only 5 bucks, I decided to look these up. It's a steam energized cleanser, whatever you call it. Look at the comps on these. They are selling for over $35 to $50 on these. And I have 2 of them for $5.99. Last stop of today, this last Goodwill. Hopefully we find something really, really good. Let's go. Once again, we go straight for the shoes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, go ahead and press a like and subscribe. Hopefully you learned 1 or 2 things in this video, a brand or something. The main reason I wanted to do this video is because I want to motivate 1 or 2 of you guys to even try the side hustle out. It's very simple. It's just buy and sell. The hardest part about it is probably the shipping thing, but there's 1,000 videos that can teach you all that about it. I'll probably make 1 or 2 videos here in the next month or 2, how to ship maybe. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.